guys, back with another video. My friend, the person who I'm recording with is Jaden. His YouTube channel is Jaden's. And this is the last Jay I was talking about. And yes, so now you go back on the bed. And yeah, so
Can you actually teach it?
no,
Can you teach it to me?
no,
Ow.
and he just left the game. So
Yeah, I'll be coming back in a minute.
So that sounds so weird when you're breaking.
Oh yeah, guys, just a heads up. I'm going to be looking for a Lamborghini. I'm going to try and get a Lamborghini.
Okay, so you go back down.
Alright. It's not like I'm in sewers. No.
Okay.
So what you talking about?
Nothing. What the hell? What the hell's that? Okay. Whoa! I swear. What the? Wait, is that clay? Oh my god, that's clay. Okay, we're gonna check out this weird.
Yo, guys, I've literally found a Lamborghini Hurricane. A Lamborghini Aventador.
Okay, you can join back on now.
Yeah, I
Okay, come on, join them back on.
might. Hey. Just jump.
Wait, where do you think they're gonna spawn at?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
I don't know. That's why. Prepare to be amazed by me being a Lamborghini. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work out.
Oh my god. So currently I'm gonna kill this husk. Yeah. Oh wait. We need to get something. Something very important that I always wear. My flipping headphones. Oh, seems like he's joined back on. So we're gonna put my headphones on.
It's raining.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you in survival?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my thing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, down there on Lamborghini, I think.
Wait, where are you? TP to me.
Okay. If I can even find my way back home. There's you.
I'm just gonna do it for you. Because you're not as skilled as me. Oh! Okay, so slash TP.
No, I am. Am I Lamborghini? That's the question.
Wait, where are you? Ow! The flip? No, you're not a Lamborghini. I swear, I will kill you.
I will.
I hate you.
Yes! I'm taking everything of yours. So I'm highly skilled. In Calais. And now I've got your diamond pickaxe. Oh yeah, and these were made lava mode, like a fissure in there. It's not really a mode, it's just a place. Also, guys, I don't know if we can guarantee giving you the link to my channel in the description below, but you know, I'll try to. And I don't do my videos on these.
What heart are you on?
Don't matter.
Yep.
Fudge. Literally fudge you.
Hey. Now I got
Literally
this
fudge. I really need to eat some fudge.
and you left the game. Woo!
Yeah.
I win!
You didn't.
Yeah?
What are you even doing?
I don't know.
You better not. I feel like you're gonna troll me.
Why would I troll you? You're my best friend.
And that's a typical thing you would do.
Wait, is this your base?
What?
Oh my!
Did you just blow up?
That was a creeper!
Let me see what happened.
Only
Show me
this.
the damage.
This is the damage.
Okay.
Was that your base?
No.
Okay.
I just want to see what happens.
Wait, do you mind if I blow it all up then?
No.
Okay. Okay, you go.
Do not.
I won't.
Good. I want to sit down here.
No.
Yeah. Sorry. No. 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 Hey, Jaden's from the game.
Where are you? Where the flip? Next time, do not go in creative. Okay? Oh. Guys, got a better problem. Let's just log back into Minecraft.
You looked out.
I logged off of Minecraft.
How naughty you're naughty.
Sorry about this. Play. Okay, so you go back down there.
What?
Okay. So, wait, why does it take so long now? Usually it didn't take very long, remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, now it doesn't take as long. Oh, cool.
I don't.
Okay, can you...
Crazy.
Where are you? Oh, no, that's just a husk. I hate husks. I'm gonna go and kill this Enderman. Oh, that wasn't. Oh, okay. Ow! Oh my god. What the flip?
Damn you.
No, I'm gonna die. Why would I die?
How you're slayed by an enderman.
Oh, no. I'm going back to
No,
that.
seriously, you got slayed by an enderman.
I know it said. Before you get my stuff, I'm going to get my stuff.
But what did you?
Not very valuable stuff, only like...
Wood.
Yeah, probably just wood. Yeah, definitely wood. Wood. So I'm going to... Where is my... Okay, there's my stuff. Not encountering that Enderman. Probably a very low health, but no. Where the flip are you? Where are you?
I don't know.
Really? Oh, I thought that was you then. Oh my god, I thought that was totally you. I was like, hey, but guess it's not you. I'm gonna hide somewhere. Wait, are you in the game? Oops.
Can I use them up? Can I use...
Yeah, you can. Don't worry. I just wanted to kill you for them. Oh, you killed a spider? I just took your world. Oh, and you left the game.
Oh.
That is weird. Why'd you keep on leaving the game?
I don't know. But... So... What did you do in your video?
I just killed a zombie. It was so... Which I'm gonna kill. Oh, creeper, creeper, creeper. Oh, I just killed it. I just... Ow! Wait. Oh, oh. Wow, I actually killed the witch. What did I get? E? I got sticks and redstone. Oh, I'm gonna die. No. Okay, that's gonna end up for this video. But first, what are you on? Oh, okay, so that's gonna wrap up for this video. For now, we're gonna do another video after this video is uploaded. So goodbye and have a safe and fancy rest of your day.